Good afternoon everybody and welcome to today's job. Today's job is a surface clean and a rinse, and we are working in Fivehead near Taunton. Today we have a patio clean to do and we have a mix of areas. We've got this path here. As we walk through, we've got another path. We plan to pressure wash this patio area. So we've got a little path here. We've got a main patio area, and then we have a raised patio area to the left. We have this little stone wall to clean also. A couple of steps and that's it. So as you can see, final scan around, there's some white spots, some slippy spots, some algae. So let's not delay, let's get started. As you can see here, we're just flying around with the surface cleaner, moving that top layer of grime, giving it a rinse off, moving the pots. Right guys, this job is almost complete. One final whiz round to remove what I can of the white spots. Remember, this job wasn't treated with any chemical, it was simply high pressure. So we only cleaned the patio with the pressure washer. The customer opted out of a chemical treat. So finish this path off and then we can have a look at the before and after. Even without the chemical, the before and after, there's a massive transformation. There's a few spots in places, but the customer preferred not to have the chemical treatment. He was quite happy with simply the high pressure and the transformation that would make. Do take some time to subscribe. It does really help us grow and it is truly appreciated. Do follow us on other social media platforms, Instagram, Facebook. Our details are here if you need. Thank you for watching. If you liked what you've seen, click the links to see more videos, and we'll see you at the next job.